Okay, take your pacifier. Where are you gonna put it? Where are you gonna put it? Mommy give it to you. Okay. Gonna hide it? Can you hide it? There, you got it open. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Nathan? Find it for Mommy. There it is! Yay! Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go, Nathan? Can you get it? Yay! There it is! You found it! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where is it? Get it, Nathan. Find your passy. You gonna say hi? Hi, Nathan. Hi, Nathan.